Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today we will make something exciting and delicious and very easy to prepare recipe, and that is polvoron. So I have here 4 cups of toasted flour. Now the flour that I use is cake flour. And then I have here 3 cups of powdered milk. And 1 cup sugar. 1 cup siguro ah. Okay. We'll mix everything. The reason why I'm using this is because I will mash this when we add the butter. This butter is 2 cups and it has been melted. So there is the white solids at the bottom. The toasted flour, I sifted it so that everything will be smooth. Okay. So once it's thoroughly blended, I will add in the butter. So this butter has been melted. Ako sa mag-melt butter. Okay. I have 2 cups of butter or 2 bars of butter. 1 bar is equivalent to 1 cup. Doon na sobrahan niya akong butter raw. Ay, 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 ay. So what we will do next is we will add some more. Ay, sobra gid ya. OA. Na OA sang butter. So we will toast some more flour. Siguro another cup of flour. Kayo, ay gid powder oh. Okay, dali lang kid ha. Dali lang kid. I have added